Namaste, everybody. I am Zui Sathe and I am here to explain when to use could, would, and should. Let's begin. Basically, could, would, and should are the words used to talk about the possible events. Could is used to talk about the action or the event that is possible. For example, you could be a doctor. थोडक्यात कोड हा तेव्हा वापरला जातो जेव्हा तुम्हाला शक्यता वाटते की ही इव्हेंट पुढे घडू शकते. यू कुड बी अ डॉक्टर. तू एक चांगली डॉक्टर बनू शकतेस. सो थोडक्यात could is used when you think that the event or the actions are possible. You could be an artist. तू एक चांगली आर्टिस्ट बनू शकतेस. शक्यता is equal to could. So, would is used to talk about the possibilities or the imagined future. Would हा तेव्हा वापरला जातो जेव्हा आपण भविष्याची कल्पना करतो. So, you could be a doctor is a शक्यता. Can happen. You could be a doctor. But you would be an amazing doctor is kalpana, imagination coming out of future. You foresee the future of that person and then you make this statement. So it's an imagination of the future. Then you use would. You would be an incredible artist. See, you imagine that he has already become an artist and he is incredible in what he's doing. So, should is used when you are advising, when you advise people to do something. For you, that thing should be done, that thing must be done. थोडक्यात तुम्हाला जर सल्ला द्यायचा असेल तर तुम्ही शूडचा वापर करणार. फॉर एक्झाम्पल, यू शुड बी अ डॉक्टर. You are advising that person that you should aspire to become a doctor. You should study towards becoming a doctor. You should never let your dreams go. You should always live your life according to your own principles. These type of sentences need a word should. It is a very advising word. This should is sounding very moralistic. For example, आपल्याला जर सांगायचं असेल का हे घडायलाच हवं, हे मॉरली करेक्ट आहे, सो वी यूज शुड. Easy? Now let us consider one Bollywood example to elaborate when to use could, would, and should. It's a very funny example. I hope you enjoy it and learn from it. Raj and Simran could run away. Now, this sentence tells us that Raj and Simran could run away. It's a possibility. They can. They have that ability to run away. But, exception, only if Simran wants to run away with Raj. So, if Simran decides to take a nap, I don't want to run away with you, dude. Let's take a nap. So, that won't happen. Raj and Simran could run away tells us that there is a possibility of them running away. But it's just a possibility. They may or they may not. Now, second situation, Raj and Simran would run away. Now, this is an imagination. Someone is forecasting an imagination that Raj and Simran would run away. But again, this is just an imagination of a possibility. So there is again an exception. Raj and Simran would run away only if the train is on time. If the situations are not favorable, they won't be able to run away. So they would be able to run away, they would run away, but only if. So the conditions are applied. And lastly, Raj and Simran should run away. This sentence tells us that Raj and Simran running away is a good thing. It should happen. First, because they are both in love, and second, because honor killing in India is real. So please run away and save yourselves. Anyway, Bollywood and jokes apart, just remember one thing. You have to use could when something can happen. You have to use would when something will happen. And you have to use should when something needs to happen, when something must happen. I hope this clears all your doubts when to use could, would, and should, and I hope you use them properly. Till then, take care and all the best. And please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like, share, and comment. Thank you and all the best.